Okay, so we have the domain set up, which is great. We have Facebook set up and we've added automation with Q. But what I wanted to do is before we continue, let's look at what other social media are out there. What can we do with Q to really just give us that broad feel? So when someone goes to your website or visits your Facebook, they're not just Facebook and the website. You've got that broadness. So why not take advantage of it? Why not set up a Twitter account and never tweet for this at all? It's just added in there. So let's take a look at that and see what else we can do. And it's food for thought if you want to do it. Okay, so I'm going to head over to Q, sign in, and we are in my Bitcoin account, the alt currency, and let's talk about adding other social profiles. Okay, okay. Okay, so I'm now in Buffer, which is actually the first step to add the extra profiles. So I have Facebook set up, then I've got Twitter and Instagram, and it also appears to be Google Plus as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create my social profiles in the next video for Twitter, and we'll continue from there. I think you'll find that really useful, as what I'm going to do is design, put an image in there that mirrors the Facebook one, put in a nice header, and just get it going. And we're going to repeat the process. And once this is done, this is maybe a 10-15 minute exercise. So if you've never created a Twitter profile or a other types of profiles, I think you'll find it's really useful. And I think you'll find it useful as well if you've done it before, but you just want to get my perspective on it as well. So let's continue in the next video.